All right. Hey guys, this is Dennis from Tutorly, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use the financial aid offer comparison tool provided by FAFSA. So a lot of you guys should be receiving your financial aid during the next couple of weeks. Some of you guys might be a little confused on how to read it, so I'm going to go over some example ones and show you how you can input them into the comparison tool so you can see how much college will cost. So I'm going to use an example here. So I have a financial aid package here from Otis College. It's a private university here in Southern California. So looking here, we see that there's an estimated total cost of attendance, $77,000. But above, you can see it's broken down into different pieces. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some of these different pieces and plug them into the spreadsheet. So we can see here the first one, tuition and fees, it's $54,503. I'm going to put that here. So I opened up my my copy of the financial aid comparison tool, and I opened up to tab number 1, which is college one, and I put in the name Otis College. And again, the price, let me double check, $54,503. $54,503. So that's the price of tuition. What's really cool too is that when you click on each little box, it explains to you what each one means. So tuition is the cost of taking classes at your college. That's going to be like the main part of how much you pay for college. Now let's see other things they have. They have housing and meals. So $19,954. $19,954. What else do they have? They have books and supplies. Now, books and supplies, that's an estimate, guys. And also, all of this is actually an estimate from the college. They don't give you the official cost of attendance or the official award until later on, once you've accepted their that you're going to go there. So for books and supplies, though, we're going to put 938. 938. We didn't see any section for health insurance, but they definitely had a transportation one. So we're going to put 1,107. And then personal expenses, do they have that here? Sometimes they call it other educational costs. Again, this is an estimate. They're thinking or guessing that you might spend this amount. So 586. And there we have it. The total cost is $77,088. Now, we're going to scroll down then to financial aid. So what Otis College offers. So you can see here it's broken down to a couple of different things. So we have scholarships on one side, and then we have grants on the other side. So again, both of these though is essentially money that the school is going to gift you. And actually it has a little explanation here. Scholarships and grants are considered gifts and do not need to be repaid. So you can see here, they didn't get any scholarships from the state, this person, but they got scholarships from the school. So we're going to put that 15,000. So institutional usually means the school. Yeah, it's money that comes from your college. So we're going to put 15,000 here. Boom. This person also got $7,395 in Pell Grants, which is the federal grants. So 7,000, where's Pell Grants? Here we go. Let me put the 7,395, 7,395. There we go. So we can already see free money total. It says right there. What else did they get? They got institutional grants, so another 3,000. So actually, we're gonna switch these. We're gonna put this 15,000 here under state university grant. Oh yeah, there it is. And then we're gonna put $3,000 here. And then state grants, 9,358. 9,000. We could even put that somewhere else. Cal grant. We could put that here. 9,358. Oop, there you go. So we've already got $34,000 in free money here. And then other forms of aid, we're going to put 1,500. So this person earned $36,253 in free money, basic money they don't have to pay back. So what's really cool is that then it takes the cost of attendance, so COA, cost of attendance, subtracts the free money, and this is your total, 40,000. So this person will have to pay $40,000 per school year to go to Otis College. Now, there are other ways to make up this difference. So maybe if your family has some money saved away for college, they can use some of that money. So I'm going to say maybe in my situation, my family didn't save money, so I'm going to put $0 there. Work study can also be offered. Now, I don't think this person got any work study. So for that, we're going to put 0. So what's most likely going to have to happen here is the student is going to have to take out loans. Now, on the financial aid package or summary, it'll tell you the amount of loans. So maybe, this person will get $20,000 in loans, and then an unsubsidized loans. And again, the difference between subsidized loans. So here, subsidized loans, the U.S. Department of Education pays the interest while you're in college, at least half time. So you don't have to pay for the loans until after you are after you've left college. Unsubsidized, that means you have to pay all the interest. So let's say, there we go. So this person is going to take out $40,000 in loans. Parent Plus loans are the ones that your parents can help you with. So at the end of the day, this person has to pay $40,000, $40,835 to attend Otis College. Through savings, work, student loans, parent loans, they're going to have to take out $40,000 in loans, and the remaining balance is $835. Maybe they take out a Parent Plus loan of $835, and then the remaining balance is 0. So this tool is really helpful for calculating how much college is going to cost. You can also do it for other colleges. So you can see here, for example, this is some information from Long Beach. Like you see here, these are some of the federal loans that they got. I always suggest taking out federal loans. That's loans from the government. They usually have a lower interest rate. And like I said, if it's subsidized, you don't have to pay them the interest until after you graduate. But you can see here, they got $5,000 in loans. They got a work study option from Long Beach. So this person has a few more options on how to pay for college. So yeah, use this comparison tool. It'll help you guys kind of figure out which one is the best option for you. All right, thanks guys.